Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. Amazon Prime Day isn't just a day or even 2 days. Now it's a 4-day event from the 8th through the 11th. Some of the best deals always seem to be for Amazon devices, including those from Kindle, Fire TV, Ring, and Blink. But lots of others are offering significant discounts too. If you're looking for smart home gear, Lutron has 20% discounts off Caseta starter kits. Reolink has deals in its Amazon store. Look for Apple discounts and big bargains from Anker and its brands like Solix as well. And Google's Candace Bryant says you can get help in finding those deals.
You can use the deals tab in Google search to help you find and compare prices. You can even track prices.
And help you see just how much of a deal those deals really are. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Preparedness. That's what having an emergency radio is all about. And that is what the folks at Sea Crane deliver. The CC Skywave SSB2 radio can go with you anywhere and can give you the information you need even when you're without internet or cell phone service. Features? It's full of them. With AM, FM, and shortwave bands, weather from NOAA along with alerts, a scannable VHF aviation band, and single sideband. Along with that, the CC Skywave SSB2 features USB charging if you opt for rechargeable AA batteries. The speaker is top-notch. There's also a stereo headphone jack. Great for emergencies, but with the built-in clock and alarm and sleep timer, you'll want to use it every day. You'll find lots of 4-star reviews and more info at seacrane.com or just click on the link at techstination.com.